Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best padded bench seat is probably one of the most versatile pieces of furniture you can own. Whether you're looking to add extra seating to your dining room, create a cozy spot in your entryway, or simply need a comfortable place to relax, a padded bench seat can be the perfect solution. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one for your needs? Let's dive in and explore what makes a great padded bench seat. Number 5. SONGMICS MAZIE 43-inch Folding Storage Ottoman. This SONGMICS Ottoman from the MAZIE collection is designed for quick setup. It folds away easily for storage under the bed or in a closet when not in use. With a 35-gallon volume, this storage bench offers plenty of space. It includes a removable divider to keep your items organized, or it can store larger items. Built with premium materials and reinforced with metal corner guards, this ottoman can support up to 660 pounds. It's a reliable seating or storage solution. The ottoman features a chic linen look surface with an elegant tufting design. The double-layer fabric and high-resilience foam ensure lasting comfort. This folding ottoman serves multiple purposes, such as a storage box, footstool, or coffee table. It fits seamlessly into various rooms to meet your needs. What we like? This bench is super easy to set up, perfect for those who value convenience. It offers a generous storage space, ideal for decluttering your living area. If you're looking for a stylish and practical storage solution that's easy to assemble, this is the one for you. What people say? It's even more beautiful than the pictures. It's very durable and easy to assemble, and it has a lot of storage space. This was a very pleasant surprise. I love it. I was skeptical because of the low price, but this product has exceeded my expectation. I got the ginger color. The color was just as advertised. It's so easy to put together and very sturdy. You can sit on it and it holds your weight very well. Nice size compartment with a divider. Excellent purchase. Very easy to set up, no tools required, nothing to really put together, just unfold it and put in the bottom and the central piece, which goes inside to divide the space into two compartments. It's nice and sturdy and has oodles of storage space inside, and having the two separate compartments is very handy. Number 4. SONGMICS Shoe Bench ULBS 576B33. This shoe bench is supported by a robust powder-coated steel frame. It offers firm and reliable support, with a maximum static load of 300 pounds. You can count on it to hold up. With two thick foam padding and a breathable linen cover, this entryway bench offers maximum comfort. It's the perfect place to sit while you change your shoes. You'll love how comfortable it is. The two-tier shoe bench provides ample space to store up to 6 pairs of shoes. Whether you have heels, sneakers, or slippers, this organizer will keep them neatly organized. It makes it easy to find the shoes you need. The simple structure, numbered parts, and easy-to-follow instructions make assembly a breeze. You'll have this shoe rack bench put together effortlessly. It's designed for your convenience. Use it in the entryway, living room, or bedroom. This shoe rack always comes in handy wherever you place it. It's a versatile piece of furniture. What we like? This bench provides strong and reliable support, ensuring your safety. It features a cozy seat, making it comfortable for changing shoes. If you are looking for a space-saving and comfortable seating solution for your entryway, this bench is a great choice. What people say? The bench is sturdy and well-made. The padded seat is comfortable. It's the perfect size for the space. Number 3. SONGMICS Shoe Bench with Cushion, Dark Gray and Ink Black. This shoe storage bench features a robust powder-coated steel frame. It offers firm and reliable support, with a maximum static load of 300 pounds. With its thick foam padding and breathable linen cover, this entryway bench provides maximum comfort. You'll enjoy sitting on it while changing your shoes. The two-tier shoe bench offers ample space to store up to 8 pairs of shoes. Whether you have heels, sneakers, or slippers, it keeps them neatly organized and easily accessible. The structure is simple, with numbered parts and easy-to-follow instructions. You'll finish assembling this shoe rack bench effortlessly. Use it in the entryway, living room, or bedroom. This shoe rack is always handy wherever you place it, serving as a shoe organizer or an extra seat. What we like? This bench offers strong support and a cozy seat for your comfort. It has the capacity to hold more shoes, perfect for families or those with a large shoe collection. If you have a lot of shoes and need a comfortable place to sit while putting them on, this bench is ideal. What people say. It's strong, sturdy, and durable. It fits about 8 pair of shoes on it too. Very sturdy and well made. Number 2. SONGMICS shoe bench with 3-tier shoe rack. This SONGMICS shoe bench, in a classic brown, is ready to welcome you and your guests. It provides a comfortable spot to sit while putting on shoes, eliminating the need to balance. The sturdy powder-coated iron frame ensures stability. This well-padded bench can hold a significant amount of weight and is designed to resist wobbling, offering great quality. Even though you won't spend a long time on it, comfort is still a priority. The bench features 2 inches of foam padding and a PVC cover for a pleasant experience. Setting up is easy, and soon your shoes will be neatly organized. The 2 shelves can hold up to 8 pairs of shoes, and there's even space under the lower shelf for slippers. You'll receive a shoe bench with high-density foam padding. This 3-tier shoe rack, crafted with a high-quality metal frame, helps organize your shoes while providing a comfortable seat for changing or placing your belongings. What we like. This bench is designed to be an eye-catcher, enhancing your home decor. It has a sturdy frame, ensuring stability and durability. If you like a bench that combines style, comfort, and practicality, this is a great choice. What people say. Clear, simple directions. Well designed. Easy to assemble. Pro lazy tip: do it on a bed, don't bother trying to assemble this on a chair. It's easier to line everything up when it's close to your height. Super sturdy and comfortable. Looks fantastic, simple design, but quality is apparent in person. That this bench is $50, shipped with Prime no less, is unbelievable. Number 1. SONGMICS piano bench with padded cushion. Tired of uncomfortable piano stools? This bench features a padded, upholstered seat, perfect for long practice sessions. It allows you to sit comfortably while preparing for your next performance. Need a place to store your sheet music? This bench has a built-in compartment under the seat. The flip top is easy to open, providing convenient storage for your books. Enjoy both comfort and style with this bench. The soft cushion provides continuous comfort, while the tufted black faux leather adds timeless charm to your home. This bench is built to last. The solid wood legs can support up to 300 pounds, and the rubber feet protect your floors. It's also a great vanity stool. Don't worry about complicated assembly. With easy-to-follow instructions and the included tool, you'll have this piano chair set up quickly. It's simple and straightforward. What we like. This bench provides comfortable seating for long practice sessions. It has a built-in storage compartment, perfect for keeping your sheet music organized. If you are a pianist looking for a comfortable and stylish bench with storage, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The bench is sturdy and well-made. The padded seat is comfortable. It's a great size for the space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.